Today's video is Oona presses the emergency button / grounded. And it was inspired by Dmitry Mikhailov, the Disney fan.
I wonder what this button does.
Oona, what did you just do?
That's just great. We're trapped. Now the chief will come and get us out because of you.
And we will be in a lot of trouble because of you.
5 minutes later. Please move away from the doors. I will reopen the doors. What happened? Why do you need the chief?
Well, Mr. Chief, Oona pressed the emergency button on purpose.
But, I just wanted to know what that button does.
Are you serious right now? You should know that this is the emergency button. It's only used for emergencies. That's it. We will fine you £100 since there wasn't a real emergency.
Oh my god, Oona, now we are fine because of you. That's it, let's go home and you will be grounded.
When they got home.
Oona, how dare you press the emergency button and get us fined? That's it, you are grounded until the fine is paid. Go to your room right now. Oh my god, seriously, stop crying like a baby.